Hi, I'm Jennifer Chino, Senior Vice President at TTR Sotheby's International Realty and Team Lead at Staley Thompson Homes. Today, I want to show you a very special home located in King James Landing. All right, the things I love about this house is the exposed brick walls, the really unique floor plan, the fact that it's in a gated community, and it has a private marina with water taxi access to downtown and Eastport. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is a one-of-a-kind home located in Annapolis and something you won't want to miss.